Hi guys, let's try this again. For some reason my screen wasn't recorded. So today I just want to go through how you can use sort of heat map tools or software to improve sort of your landing page conversion rate. So if you've got a Facebook ad campaign that is sort of working really well in terms of the best link CTR, the best link CPC, but for some reason your conversion rates they're not the best. I think using heat map software can actually see what your visitors are doing and hopefully make some improvements. So we use a tool called SmartLook. I think they offer a free account. I think the pricing isn't too expensive, and you could install it exactly the same way you would do in terms of your sort of Facebook pixel. I'll just walk through kind of a heat map that we've created and just show you what's possible. So let's go to this one. Okay, so this is an example page that we've created. You can create funnels with this software as well. So just before I go into a bit more detail, you can actually see what people are doing from, say, the landing page, the thank you page, or a video sales letter, however you look at it. And what's really useful is you can see the kind of user activity based on sort of device, so desktop, tablet, mobile, and whether someone's clicked, moved, or scrolled. So if we just look at desktop first, we can see that we've had a couple of clicks, which is good. Not as many as we'd like, but that's why we use the tool. And then scrolling, we can see that actually a good amount of visitors on desktop have actually scrolled to the bottom, which is good. Now, given that we run a lot of our campaigns on mobile, it's kind of this is what I'm wanting to see and what I'm interested in. So again, kind of good scrolling, but as I go through, I can see that people, I think only 50% of people have actually got to the bottom of this page. So there's definitely room for improvement. So this software will actually allow you to visually see what people are doing and if improvements need to be made. So sometimes, is your copy flowing enough? Could it be improved? Could you try different images? Could you try different buttons? Sometimes a form may be hidden on a page. So I definitely recommend getting this on your landing page and really delving deeper in terms of how you can improve those conversion rates, because it could be as a simple layout change or a color of a button or even the form design could make a difference in terms of those conversion rates as well. Because if people have actually spent the time to look at your advert, click on get it to your landing page, they're then one step away from taking the next action, whether it's a sale or a lead. And you want to then see how do you get people to stay on your landing page for longer, or how do you get them to kind of convert rather than just bouncing. So I recommend having a go and seeing what you're doing, but it's important to make sure that you've got your Facebook ad campaigns optimized as well. I think also this will also give you an indication if if you're getting the right type of traffic to your website too, because unless people fill out the form, you don't know if they could be the right traffic, but for some reason they're just not converting or your copy isn't resonating. And this might say with this example here, this is quite a long landing page. I might actually test a very short one, or maybe even try use a video sales letter too. So hopefully that was useful. I'd love to know if you've been using heat maps in the past, or if it's something you want to consider. If you have any questions on this, let me know, and I'll speak to you soon.